Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me. My name is Susan Timchak, and I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up, and I'd like to welcome you here today. Today I'm here to show you an all-inclusive kit that you can find in our Current Occasions catalog. You can find this kit on page 20 of the catalog, so we'll take a look at it right here. Remove that for a minute. And in this kit, it is totally inclusive. So everything is included. So this is great if you're a brand new stamper or if you're someone who loves to make cards, beautiful cards, don't have a lot of time, because these are so simple and quick to make, you're going to be amazed. And the best part is it also comes with a box. So these would be perfect to give as a gift. So make them up, give them as a gift. With it being all-inclusive, it's going to include one of our acrylic blocks, and the edges are rounded, so you don't have to worry about poking yourself. Nice quality block you'll have to use over and over again for future projects. It also includes the Blackberry Bliss Stampin' Spot. This is just like our standard ink pads, same color as our standard ink pads, but just a nice little spot. And to use it this way, you're just going to take it to your stamp, and you're just going to ink it up this way. But the stamps are pretty small enough that you won't have any problem with that. And you can use your re-inkers on that as well. So that you'll have too. It also is going to come with pearls that have adhesive on the back already, ready to go. And I would recommend your take-a-pick tool for that. I like to use this little end here to pick it off, because it's sticky and it will just pick them right off for you. Or if you feel more comfortable, you can use the little spatula on the other end. And this is a great tool for $10. This also comes out to be a paper piercer, and there's even another piece that comes with it that is a scoring blade for 2 different sizes. Scoring blade, and it comes with an extra little putty tip as well. So for $10, definitely add that to your order. That does not come with the kit though, but it's great to add on. It comes with a stamp set, and here's the stamp set here. I know it's kind of hard for you to see it there, but it's a beautiful set. It has "Thank you so much," "Thinking of you," just a little "Happy birthday to you," "Congratulations, so happy for you," and it has 3 other images for flowers, and this is like a little heart image as well. It also comes with 2 packs of our Stampin' Dimensionals. These are really nice, and don't forget when you're using these to use the entire sheet along with the little skeleton that goes around. I like to call it a skeleton, just because. And it also includes all of your consumable items that you will need to create 12 cards. There are 3 different designs, and you will make 4 of each card. And these very easily, they're already printed. Look at how beautiful they are. This has a little bit of a gold embellishment, and they very easily just come right out and to create your cards. And there goes my dog again. What is with her? You also can use this other leftover piece to sponge with if you wanted to make a fun background in another project. And it also comes with all the envelopes as well. And it comes in a nice little baggie that you can use to keep it in if you're working on it or not. So here is the instruction sheet that comes with it. And I love this. This is called Made to Bloom Card Kit. And if I forgot to tell you, the item number is 148537. And it's only $27 for everything in this kit. I mean, really, this is a great way to get started or to create some fun cards. It comes in all different languages because, of course, Stampin' Up! Is all over the world. And look at how easy these directions are. I mean, even you don't even have to read anything. You just follow the different steps. Very easy. And on the back here, it shows you the little box that you will create. It's all folded flat. I'm going to show you it actually with the projects already made. And you put the box together with a little belly band, put all your cards inside, use it for storage, or a great gift, like I said. So here's the components basically of the kit. You have your card base, which is printed on one side. The other side is white. And here is just another printed piece with a little scallop. This gets adhered to here, and this piece goes on here. You can stamp here or however you want to lay it out. That will be one card design. The next one, very simple. The center gets punched out like that. You'll stamp your little sentiment in the center and put this on there, and you'll notice it doesn't come with any glue because this is what you're using all of these dimensionals for. So you don't even have to worry about glue. Stamp whatever you want on there. And card 3 is as easy as folding this, and they are pre-scored for you too. This goes right on here. You'll stamp your little sentiment there, put this on, and there you go. Look how easy that is. So let me show you them already completed. Let me move all of this out of the way. I'll keep this over here in case we have to refer to it. Okay, so here we are. Here is your completed box. Now I didn't do all of them, of course. I just did that many. And the little belly band, which is already pre-scored for you. You're going to stick this piece on here with dimensionals, and can you see it has the little pearls on there? And the belly band can just slide off if you want it to. But the box, it's nice acrylic box, opens like this. This is where you will store all your cards after you've completed them. And then here they are. And I mean, you can make them to any sentiment you want, whatever you need. Look at how beautiful. This one I did just a little happy birthday to you. And little pearls on there embellished. And like I said, it's just put on with dimensionals. You can embellish this a little further if you like, with maybe a little wink of Stella or some kind of other types of embellishments. If you want to go a little step further, you certainly can. Here's the second one. Very simple, but look at how beautiful that is. And yet here we have the third one. Thank you so much. But they are beautiful, and look at these envelopes. The envelopes coordinate with it. The inside of the envelopes are all printed. And it just makes a perfect, that one got a little zhushed from the box. Let me pull out the yellow one. And they coordinate with the cards so beautifully. Look at those envelopes. So really, if you are looking for an all-inclusive kit, or someone's birthday is coming up and you want to get them a little gift, maybe they've been kind of toying around with trying to, think if they want to do stamping or not. This is a great way to start. All-inclusive kit, and again, you'll find it in our current occasions catalog on page 20. And if you add a few other things to that, now is our celebration time. So celebration is, with each $50 purchase, you get to choose free product from this little mini catalog. And there's also a few items in here that are with a $100 order, such as this stamp set. You will get that for free. You can choose that or the little tea together, the dies. And there's just so much in here. It's so beautiful. So why not take the opportunity and get something for free as well? If you'd like to place an order, please feel free to visit my online store at www.stampinsuecreates.stampinup.net, and you can order 24/7 in your jammies or however you want to be right there on my online store. I do offer each month a special host code, so as soon as you log on, you will see that in the first paragraph. With a $50 order placed or more, you will get a free item. So for this month, I'm doing, they are heart, not acrylic, heart, boy oh boy, I should have had that prepared. They're little heart embellishments, and epoxy, little heart epoxy stickers. So that is for the month of February, being it is the month of Valentine's Day and the month of love. So I thought the heart epoxy stickers would be beautiful to give out, and those you can do a lot of different things with them as well. So be sure to contact me at stampinsuecreates@gmail.com if you have any questions, or if you'd like to host your own upcoming workshop or private party or a private class. So thank you so much for joining me. And I hope to see you back here real soon. Be sure to hit subscribe and the little bell. You'll receive notifications when I upload new videos, because I know you'll not want to miss a single one. So thank you again, and I hope you have a super stamping night, and I'll see you back here again real soon. Bye for now.